The history of plumbing in the Philippines. 17th century. The birth of the plumbing profession in the Philippines. Spaniards established Intramuros, the walled city, as a model community. Friar engineers incorporated European standards in their plumbing installations. 18th and 19th century. Filipino plumbers were assigned the task of maintaining, repairing, and or remodeling the plumbing systems in all pueblos or towns. 20th century. The arrival of Americans. Health and hygiene became priority in a time when epidemics such as cholera, leprosy, and schistosomiasis overwhelmed the Philippines. Worried with the situation, Governor General Harrison delivered a letter of instruction on proper waste disposal in all municipalities. 1902, plumbing trade was duly recognized by the government. City of Manila was the model community. Master plumber John F. Haas became the first chief of the Division of Plumbing Construction and Inspection. A plumbing code based on the Plumbing Code of the United States was incorporated into the building code for the city of Manila. 1935, National Master Plumbers Association of the Philippines, NAMPAP, was organized and registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission. With the initiative of NAMPAP, an act of Congress created the Department of Public Services of the City of Manila. City Ordinance 2411, otherwise known as the Plumbing Code for the City of Manila, was enacted. In 1954, the Third Congress of the Republic of the Philippines, in its second session after the third reading, approved House Bill 962 that became RA 1378. June 18, 1955, Plumbing Law of the Philippines, RE 1378, was signed by President Ramon Magsaysay. January 28, 1959, National Plumbing Code of the Philippines, prepared by NAMPAP, was promulgated and approved by Malacanang. NAMPAP assisted in the passage of the law creating the National Waterworks and Sewerage Authority, NAWASA. 1966 to 1969. The Board of Examiners for Master Plumbers and the NAMPAP prepared a curriculum for plumbing engineering that was approved by the Department of Education and was first introduced at Fiati University, or Far East Air Transport Incorporated in Santa Cruz, Manila. November 28, 1967. The First Amendment to the National Plumbing Code was approved, which affected the inclusion of asbestos cement pipe as an approved plumbing material. 1972, before martial law, Building Code of the Philippines, PD 1096, RA 6541 was passed with the National Plumbing Code of 1959 as referral code. 1996 to 1999. NAMPA President Jaime M. Cabase spearheaded the updating of the revised National Plumbing Code. October 1999. NAMPAP submitted the draft code to the Board of Master Plumbers chaired by Fortunato H. Amosco. December 21, 1999. The Professional Regulation Commission, PRC, under Chair Hermogenes Pobre, adopted the revised Plumbing Code of 1999, which President Joseph Ejercito Estrada approved, pursuant to Section 4 of RA 1378, known as the Plumbing Law. And that is the plumbing history in the Philippines. Thank you.